Every stroke you write on the visual pad instantly appears on your ICEBOARD panel, in perfect sync. Need more space? The visual pad works as an extension of your ICEBOARD, expanding your writing area without switching screens. It's the perfect transition tool for users who love the feel of writing on a board but want the convenience of digital. You can also use the hotkeys located below the whiteboard to add page, delete, move to the next page, or go back to the previous page. Collaborate better, write here, present there, and keep everyone engaged. ICEBOARD Visual Pad. Write freely. Connect seamlessly.